Viewers, important updates. Firstly, two Tigrayan lecturers were killed outside their homes in Amhara region. Why they were killed? Tigrayan and Amhara's claim about the killing of lecturers. Secondly, update from Desi, where both sides are claiming victories. What is the position of Tigray Defense Force? Last update is about the newly captured Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. Video has also been shared. Viewers, as per reports, two Tigrayan lecturers have been killed in Desi. As per detail, Birhanu Gide and Hele Habenium were killed outside their homes by a mob. Both were lecturers at Wollo University located in Desi. Tigray news sources are claiming that they were killed because they were Tigrayans. On the other hand, Amhara news sources are claiming that they were involved in sharing of secret information to TPLF. Amhara news sources claimed that they were sharing intelligence regarding artillery coordinates through GPRS to Tigray People's Liberation Front. That's why they were killed. Tigray Defense Force news sources rejected this claim of Amhara news sources and said they were Tigrayan and performing their duties at Wollo University as a lecturer. They were killed because they were Tigrayans. Viewers, if we talk about Desi, Tigray Defense Force is present in the areas near Desi. Tigray Defense Force remain unable to enter Desi so far because large number of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers along with Amhara's forces and heavy artillery are present in and around Desi and Kombolcha. Tigray Defense Force tried to advance towards the outskirts of Desi, but they didn't succeed to enter Desi so far. Bombardment was also reported yesterday from Tigray Defense Force near Desi. Ethiopian National Defense Force issued a statement about the ongoing fighting in Amhara region. ENDF claimed in the statement that Tigray Defense Force faced heavy losses in Amhara region, especially near Lake Haik, Gashina, and in the surrounding areas of Desi. Viewers, as you know, Tigray Defense Force was moving towards Desi from three different directions. Ethiopian National Defense Force claimed that they not only stopped the advancement of Tigray Defense Force towards Desi from all three directions but also pushed them back. Viewers, on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force is claiming their victory. They claimed that Ethiopian National Defense Force and allies faced losses in the recent fight of Amhara region. Tigray Defense Force also shared a new video in which fresh captive Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers can be seen. Viewers, now let's watch video of captured ENDF soldiers. Thanks for your precious time.